Hello viewers, welcome to Educative Hub. In our previous sessions, we have learned about states of matter. So today we are going to learn about can matter change its state? That means can a matter change from a solid to liquid, liquid to gas and gas to solid? Is that possible? Let us learn about this in detail. When we observe water, it stands as a basic example of matter which can change its state. Like water in its solid state we call it as ice, and in liquid state we call it water, and in gaseous state we call it as vapor or steam. How does this change takes place? So when solid is heated, it will become to liquid, and when liquid is heated, it will become to vapor. This is because the change in temperature, like when we raise the temperature, the matter change its form from solid to liquid and liquid to gas. Vice versa, when we cool down the vapor, it will become to liquid, and when we cool down the liquid, it will become to solid. Consider water as an example for this change. So what happens is, like when water we take it in a solid form, like when we take the ice cube and when we heat the ice cube, the ice will become into water. Here what is happening is, like when we are raising the temperature of ice, it is becoming to liquid. That means it is becoming to water. When we continue to provide this heat energy to the water, it will become into vapor state. That is, steam will form from water. In the same way, when we cool down the steam, steam will become into water, and when we cool down water, it will become into ice. So here what is happening is, like when we are changing the temperature of the substance or the matter, it is changing its states. How does this change takes place? By increasing or lowering the temperature. So when increasing the temperature of solid, the kinetic energy of the particle increases. Due to this increase in kinetic energy, the particles start vibrating at a greater speed. The energy supplied by the heat overcome the forces of attraction between the particles. The particles then leave their fixed positions and start moving freely. Here a stage is reached by the particles where the solid melts and is converted to a liquid. The change from solid state to liquid state is called as fusion or melting. Also, few matters change directly from solid state to gaseous state without changing into a liquid. For example, if we take a camphor and when we heat it, it will directly change from a solid state to vapor state. It will not change to liquid state in between. This kind of process where a solid is directly changing to a gaseous state is called as sublimation. When you observe the picture, you can see the change of states, like from solid to liquid, liquid to gas, and gas to liquid. And what are those processes called? Thank you for watching.